This right here is the front door panel to a 2006 Volvo XC90. I'm going to show you how to take this door panel off. The first thing you need to do is to pop off the tweeter speaker or the cover that's right there. All you have to do is put a trim panel in, pop it off. It'll come off of these clips. There's this one electrical connection right here that you just push this down and pull it out at the same time, and that is off. I've already taken that off. Next is to take this off, and underneath this are two screws. This pops up and then out. So you want to carefully put this tool in here, pop that side up, pop that up like that, and then you can wiggle it and pull it out just like that. You can see that these two pins is what hooks down in here, and then there are these three clips that clip into this. So you just want to pop it up and then pull it out. I use a trim tool like this, a trim panel tool, but anything that'll pop that up will work. And then in there are two Torx T-25 Torx screws. So you just want to get in there, unscrew both of these. The next thing you want to do is take your trim tool again and put it in. And that way you can pry open the door panel. Like that. You want to lift it up over the door lock mechanism. Now what you need to do is look inside, undo the cable for the door handle, which is on these two clips. You just want to pull it out like that. That's all you need to do. Then down lower right here, there's two electrical connections. Once again, you just have to press the tab down and at the same time wiggle it out just like that. Same goes for this. There's a tab right here that you can see. It might be helpful to use a small screwdriver. Pull that out, and then you have the door panel right off. Door panel is off now. To put the door panel back on, you just want to put this door lock linkage up through the hole, plug these two plugs back in, push that on so the door handle works, and then pop it back on all the way around and it'll be on. All right, for the door mirror, there's one 13mm nut right here, but you want to undo the electrical connections first. It's this green connector, obviously, with the wires going to it. There's a green tab. Press that, pull it up, and that is off. Like I said, it's a 13mm, so you can go ahead and unbolt this. You want to hold on to it like this while you're taking the nut off to make sure it doesn't fall on the ground. And then you can just wiggle it right off like that, pull the connector through, and you have your door mirror off.